So hi guys, I'm Dave, welcome back to the channel. Back at fishing. Today I was going to have a go at the pole or the pelt boggler, but I don't know whether you can notice it's hella windy. So back on the method feeder. This is the little setup. I'm using little pellets and a little bit of corn on the end. I might get rid of the corn later on, but for now I've got some music. There's my ground bait mix. So yeah guys, let's see what happens, give it a go. So guys, yeah, first fish of the day, nice little bream. I've got my rod set, just the end of it in the water because the wind is ridiculous today. I didn't even think I'd be able to notice the light, to be honest, but I really did notice it with having a tip in the water. Yeah, I'll show you the waves. You probably can't notice it on this, but it is proper windy like. Nice size bream, that's got weird spots on it. Yeah, definitely nice. So yeah guys, just had another little, well, it wasn't little, it was a pretty big bream. Guessing that to be a good 5 or 6 pound. Weird spots on it, which I've never seen before, look like some horrible rash or something. Hopefully it's, I'm going to get it myself, like, if anyone knows what it is, drop it in the comments, I'd love to know. But yeah, managing with the wind. So I'm just got me tipping my quiver tip just in the water, which seems to be helping. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Definitely got one on from this is a bream again. Bream, that. Hey guys, that's Bream number 4. Yeah, still waiting on those elusive carp, but keep watching, you never know, might get one. It's hella windy. Just got another one, guys, and that's Bream number 5 now. Still waiting on the carp, but I'm not complaining. Always nice to catch something. Yeah, I don't know whether you can appreciate how windy it is here. It's like 28 kilometers an hour, I think the forecast was. So a bit of a pain when you're using a quiver tip. Yeah, I'm just keeping tipping my rod in the water just to, so I can actually see if I've got a bite. Yeah, so far so good. So hopefully next one's a carp. Bream. So guys, yeah, that was Bream number 6. Still waiting on that elusive carp. But yeah, I'm made up considering the weather conditions. It's blowing a gale here, like lovely day, boiling, but really windy. So yeah, let's keep them fingers crossed, and maybe we'll get a carp. I've been baiting on the like a second swim by the side. I'm gonna have a go at putting putting the GoPro in the water, probably on the last hour. There's no point in throwing it in yet because just the waves are too big really. But I'll give it a go for the last hour, see if we can get some. This is another Bream, I think. Oh. Bad little bream. Back in again, feels like another bream. Back on again. I think this is another bream by the fields of it. Yeah, it's a little bream. Bream number 7. You say, mate? Yeah, hopefully. Bream number 9, I think. So guys, I think we're up to bream number 9. Still no carp, still boiling, still windy. So fingers crossed. I've been baiting the little edge. I'm going to do the last hour on that edge. I'm going to try the underwater Tolson selfie stick with the GoPro. I put it in now, but where I'm fishing now, it's just, you know, there's just no point really. But yeah, like I said, I've been baiting this section, the corner for all day. So I'm going to try the last hour. Fingers crossed, and you never know, maybe we'll get a carp as well, right? There you go. Bream number 10, I think. Oh, it's probably the biggest bream I've ever had. It's massive. It's all covered in nasty shit, like, but it's nice, isn't it?
Nice size, that, mate.
Yeah. Lost that one. Oh, just lost one. So guys, just got to back up. Yeah, it's the final count. I think it was 11. I think I missed them on 3 or 4 or something like that, but it happens. No carp today, but maybe next time. So for anyone who's watched, thanks very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Yeah guys, so I did throw it in, but it's so windy, it's just going like literally right to the edge, so it's kind of pointless I think. But stay tuned because you will see it in action soon.